What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Coti, which has pumped up near about 23% in the last 24 hours, especially after last night's news where Trump is keeping a crypto reserve, which of course does not involve Coti but includes major cryptos like XRP, Solana, Ethereum and so on. And this has had a major impact on the crypto market in a positive way. So we'll be looking at Coti's pump. Is it likely to keep pumping, potentially heading to 10 cents later on today? Is it going to go through a price correction, dropping back down, and essentially looking at its prediction going into March, April, May, and for the rest of the year? What can we expect? But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And on a side note, my trading guide is now live. You guys can access that using the link in the description box down below. It's a full-on guide on what indicators I use, how I do my technical analysis and all that stuff. If you're just getting started or want to improve your technical analysis or crypto skills, this is the perfect guide. There is a 50% discount code for the first 100 users, so make sure you make use of it if you guys are interested. So jumping back onto Coti, we can see here that the crypto did, well, earlier this morning, head over the red line here, which is the upper band, and hence why it has corrected itself, dropping back down in value to around the 9 cents value. That's where it is at the moment. It is likely to drop down a little bit further, just below the 9 cents value over the next couple of hours before going through a very small minimal increase in value, well, for the majority of this week, hitting more green days, potentially heading up closer to the 10 cents value. Is what my current prediction is at the moment. And if we look at the RSI at the bottom, it is currently at 45.38, which is higher than where it was previously. However, it hasn't had a major impact. However, the purple line is at 57.48, meaning it's pretty high at the moment, and it doesn't mean it's overvalued yet. So it does still have a room for increases in value over the potentially next couple of, well, next week and the week after, and going into late March. It should be heading around the 12 to 13 cents value is where I'm predicting Coti to be heading towards. So if we get rid of this and bring out onto the hourly chart, we can see, yes, it did pump up quite a bit and then went for a minimal correction, and right now increasing again. So it has been quite volatile, but the overall outcome has been obviously more on the positive side. So if we bring out the MACD indicator on the hourly chart here, it is not looking too great. Reason being is the little correction that's taken place. So we do have the MACD line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, indicating an overall bearish movement for Coti for majority, well, for the rest of the day, which I do agree with. However, I am expecting it to head closer up to the 10 cents value before it starts to hit red candles again towards the end of the day today. So it is likely to fluctuate around its current price range with minimal increases in value, hence why the overall outcome should be more on the neutral side. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, we are looking quite bullish here. We do have the MACD line looking very bullish, very steep, heading towards a positive direction. Again, it does not look as realistic as it seems. Reason being is the line is looking way too steep, and the reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place. Hence why over the next week or two going into mid-March, the crypto, yes, I'm predicting it to go for an overall increase. However, not major, nothing huge. So I'm not expecting it to go for a major breakout or anything like that. Heading towards 11 to 12 cents by mid to late March is where I'm predicting Coti to be heading towards. And finally, zooming out to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, it is not looking as steep as the previous chart, meaning this is much more realistic. So essentially over the next few months going into April, May, June, so by mid-year the crypto should be heading over 16 to 17 cents, so at a much higher value. Again, potentially double of where it is at the moment is what my current predictions are. As you guys can see, the crypto did hit 18 cents back in December last year before going for a major price correction. So essentially I'm predicting it to head back up there over the next few months, because I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $120,000 by mid-year, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. So zooming back out into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume is up over 300%, currently at $62.5 million. We can see a lot of people are trading the crypto right now, especially after the peak that's taken place. Over the last week it is up 13%, and over the month it is down 8%. So we tend to forget of how much value the crypto or the crypto market in general has gone down by over the last month itself. Yes, it's pumping right now, even If we look at Bitcoin, for example, as you guys can see, yes, it looks great. It's performing very well. Over the last week itself, it is down, and over the month it is still down 8%. Guys, we were trading over $100,000 a month ago. However, we tend to forget that because it's pumped up 8%, 9%, and we think that is back up. However, yes, it's slowly recovering, but it's nowhere near fully recovered. But yeah, this is my prediction on Coti, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys predicting this crypto to go in 2025? A lot of people have been saying the dollar mark, which at the moment I'm going to have to disagree with, but let me know your view on that. And I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.